Okay, there we go. Day... should we say day 7? Since... Yeah, we're gonna say day 7, even though we missed some. So I titled this small upgrades, I think, but I actually don't remember exactly how is the roadmap here. Yeah, actually ship this as an upgrade update, yes. Alright. I did download the map I received. So this can be this will serve as a placeholder until we either decide to keep it or get another one. Hi Merc, how are you doing? New map, so let's see about the size. I don't know if that fits. You're doing good? Well, I'm doing good as well. Though it might be slightly too big, or it's just a question of moving it, maybe? Because is it supposed to be like this? I'm not sure. Let's say it's like this. Yeah, it's probably just a question of recreating the path and making it fit. Balloon path, Kev 2D. Can I reset that? Oh, I just had to remove all the points. Why did you download a screenshot? Because that's what you gave me, didn't you? There's no other thing. What are you playing on the side? We can see the little tower. Yeah, so that was actually just a screenshot. But you'll have to give me the proper file if that's something else, I guess. It's just sideways? What if I do this? Rotate and you wouldn't need to redo the pathing? Alright. Well, I don't see that happening. Well, we can ignore that until now. And there it is. Oh no, I removed the path. Okay. technically did. So I think we have only 2 upgrades so far, which are just the branch updates on the attack and the dot. So I don't know if trying to fix the bug we have is worth it or not. Should we fix this right now? The red range indicator persists. Let's see what it could be. Right, so that's the last one I've placed. Now I just can't deselect it. So what happens when we place a turret? Which could technically have the new one. Seems like you cannot do this. Exporting a canvas rect only? Let's see what happens when we place a turret. Test it. Alright. Range indicator visible false. Or is it something that happens when we create a ghost? Like, let's see what happens if I create a ghost and discard it. Like, here I can remove it. I create a ghost, I remove it, and it's fine. What is kind of weird is that it does deselect. So is it the range indicator reference which becomes wrong for some reasons? Let's see, range indicator. So from here, I create another one. The range indicator is 47. And here it should be 41. Oh, it is 47. So the weird thing is that when we place a turret, the range indicator of the previous turret is wrong. Almost acts like it's not unique, or creating a new one before deselecting the new one. I can eventually try to fetch the range indicator like this. What is it? This is bright 2D. Yeah. Now what's kind of interesting is that Deselect. How do I deselect? Or is it because pressing escape deselects the wrong thing? Deselect. So what if we actually have to go do that on a selected turret? Let's try this. Okay. So it works, it is fixed. But now I'm trying to understand how this could actually be working. Oh, probably. Okay, I think I know. Alright, here's the explanation. When we pressed escape, all the turrets were watching this signal and they were going through this condition. The first one to receive it would deselect itself. And then all the other ones, the new one, wouldn't get it because selected turret would become null from deselecting. Which is why when we deselect a turret, only the last one we place has the thing deselected, because it's the one at the top, or the first one to grab it, because maybe it goes from bottom to top. Okay. So since there's no way to export the thing, we could either use the screenshots, like that could be fine, so that we have something slightly less worth. I mean, slightly better than, not just slightly actually, but better than this path here. So let's recreate that placeholder. And that's going to be, well, good that it's fixed now. Yes, it's kind of cool. What if I zoom it a little bit? Maybe 1.2. Go to up to 3. Yeah. Or maybe even 4. So let's create a new path. Yeah, not really important. Create points. There's probably ways to make rounds, but honestly, I don't really mind. Maybe should I make it slightly? Yeah, sure. Alright, alright, okay. We got this, and now we need to create a new collision. Okay, new points. Maybe I should try to aim for the darker spots rather than the blade tips. I don't know. Will actually prevent from having towers in a dark green space. Nah, it's probably better to allow it everywhere. Check this code. Oh no! What's that? Like, these are all the points for the grass blades. I think we should be able to just start the game again and have it work exactly like before. Except for this. Oh, look at that. It does add some gimpiness. Oh no, the feedback. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Lost the chat. In the other channel as well. Oh, so I can download this? Well. I will most likely apply this later, but I will keep it. Well, I will keep it. It's gonna be here anyway. It won't move. Yeah. So I think I will just add PNG at least now. I will do a little bit of features. Functional features, and after that I will fix this. I actually think it could be interesting to try to make the piercing. Oh. You just want me to replace this? Okay, let's see. Let's replace the file. Save image. Yes, 31. Replace. You liar. Yeah, that will be good enough. Let me close that and get back to chat. It's made for your res. Yeah, looks like it. Right, it's less blurry for sure. Can we actually change the texture? I don't think there's any difference. Maybe there is, but yeah. So anyway, making the pierce upgrade could be kind of interesting, I think. And making those two panels slightly more, well, less transparent. Enter and exit. Wait, what happened? You probably just deleted a message. Yeah, let's see the... it's slightly better. I could go even further. Further than this. Can I say that? Maybe I have to say it. Enter and exit looks not that bad at least. Yeah, whatever. Also, you could change colors in the future. Oh, I mean of this? Yeah, it's probably not very hard. Depends if there's a kind of... Oh yes, if you've sent the save file. Imagine being bothering doing all those things right there. So that they end up out of the screen. Yeah, let's see. This is fixed. We're gonna make a pierce upgrade. I'm gonna change just the name. Pierce upgrade, and we'll see what we do after that. Okay, so dot. No, maybe create the upgrade. This is upgrades. Let's create a new one. Dot. Oops. The hardest password part was the road. Yeah, because the stains in dirt doesn't seem very regular. Name. Host. We'll actually grab. Yeah. Texture. Yeah, dot pierce. So maybe I just have to change a few things in there. Looks like I have to upgrade the list. Copying the UID. And we're fine. Cool. We do return. Now technically it's the opposite. We're gonna be fine. I really should learn how to make SVG, things like this, because it could be very useful. Okay, so peers, apply first upgrade. We probably have nothing to do here. Let's just make sure we have both methods existing. Get second, try to purchase second. And I most likely need apply second upgrade. You're gonna laugh for a bit? Alright, cool. You're gonna help your daughter with something. Sure, go ahead. Now, we should be good. So try to purchase. I think it's gonna be quite similar. If... Oops. Wrong word. Resource that cannot go purchased. So for the dart turret, the behavior changes when we fire. I think we can change piercing there. Yes. Cheers. So we can go with Pierce 1. It's not valuable Pierce. Oh, we could create a local variable actually. Right here. And when we apply the second upgrade, well, the first thing, this equal 1. Within Pierce. Yes, so we probably just need to make it work differently now. I'd say. Can't fill balloon. Ah. I'm thinking that we could create an array Or maybe kind of recreate something different. Something different in the sense that we create a small area around the hit point. Is it possible to get that hit point? Huh. Oh, wait a second. We already have pierce, so piercing, remaining pierce. Remaining pairs is equal to 0. We do return. Oh, that's unequal. That's right, it's okay. So what I want to do basically is that when we hit a target, we make a check. So if pierce is equal to 0, we go piercing. Otherwise, we Q free. I actually do want to Q free when pierce is 0. But the thing is that we kind of want to move the area slightly. So when it hits, to make sure that it creates a kind of better area, we probably want to create something else. I'm not sure. Something like teleport. I don't know if that makes sense. And if it is even possible to have the physics process this. Or we could just... I'm not sure what I want to try. Maybe I'm gonna try first by having several targets. Okay, so we're gonna have targets. And in there, we need to replace that. Oh, how is this wrong? Can I assign array? Oh, okay, makes sense. Is that a problem though? Oh, we just don't know how to type anymore. So if the targets count, probably size is inferior to, let me see, here's +1. Would you add it? Oh, don't need the underscore. We add the balloon to the array if it is not full. Otherwise, we gotta do differently. Otherwise, we gotta remove one. Well, honestly, we don't really care here. Yeah, it's not like we have a lot of balloons in the area of a bullet anyway. Okay, so for every target, in our targets, we can hit it and then Q3. After that, Q3. All right. I hope this is right. Ah, interesting. I can't buy the second upgrade. Something's wrong, obviously. Is it about the upgrade? Oh, of course it is. we need to make sure that we have at least one target. Oh, it actually looks like it works. Okay, interesting. So we have a problem of the second upgrade not showing. Maybe in there. Yeah. Most likely this. We do have turret. I probably just need to copy this. Oh, interesting. Increasing the range didn't work. Uh-huh. Why that though? Oh, maybe because it's probably just not connected here. Yeah. Let's see. Range increase. Here's. I kind of think that trying to have a different behavior for PS could be interesting. Well, technically we could keep it like this and keep a card on the side saying that we do want to update it. A little bit of cleaning actually. We're good. I would say that having another attack upgrade could be quite easy. That range. Let's create 2 upgrades. Attack speed actually. Probably. Eventually attack range. Okay. Attack speed, UID. And attack range, UID. Okay. Now the code. Get second upgrade. Second upgrade is definitely range. And first one is attack speed. Okay. Now we need to apply the effects. Apply first. First one. Resource cooldown minus equal. What is it? It is 1. What if we put it to 0.5? The range we can update it by 75, maybe, and update the range. It could be kinda too strong. Oh, what? What is that there? It's wrong. It is wrong. Let's try to restart this. Yeah. The red range. Yep. Alright, right. That's kind of too much. Oh yeah, it's definitely too strong. Let's see how it's doing without any upgrade. I think quite good without anything. Yeah, the range isn't very important, but the speed makes a real difference. It's actually kind of subtling this. I don't know how strong his attack turrets. Let's see, I just want to grab it, John. Gameplay. No. I kind of wonder, yeah, how strong it is. Oh, it looks like it takes 2 seconds to hit. In fact, there's maybe a wiki with all the informations. Chances of having the first BloonsTD infos are very low. Oh. This one. 0? Back tower. $1.5. What I'm more interested in is the waves contents. RBE. What is RBE? Red balloon equivalent. Oh. Single map. Ah. So why is this not working? Oh yeah. That's so annoying. If we say BloonsTD wave content. Well, if anything, I just have to ask Hyper gamedev. That's BloonsTD4, which is not what I'm looking for. I'm gonna see if I can ask this somewhere. HyperGameDev. Is it in there? The funky shape road. I don't even know what she's doing. Is she living? Oh, it's Friday, so it is game jam night, so she's not jamming for teams, roles. Oh, I would have guessed like there would be a kind of general chat. We could be trying to fetch that in her streams, but it would be kind of difficult to get the right moment. But we can do that. The odds that this is faster than making it myself is very high. Okay, wait a second. I'm just gonna make sure that we're not exploding our ears. Oh, and lovely ad. To this. That's at some point she should be making a kind of spreadsheet. Yeah, this exactly. Now she's found something. Where are these? Do you have anything about that? I don't think so. So what is this one? It looks like we're close. Scroll up. Scroll up. I honestly don't know if it is one she has made herself, or if she did scrap it. And why is there nothing before that? Come on! 5 seconds by 5 seconds is kind of complicated. Maybe she did that like way earlier.
And hopefully it's accurate. Maybe someone can correct me if I did it wrong.
Yeah, maybe here.
Yellow, 19 black. So maybe green, 25 blue. Okay, we got it. Sometimes it's easy to. We'll have to see when we get there. Is it gonna be just 100 all at once and then 99 all at once, or is it like 5 heat?
Huh.
To let it know that it is.
Okay. Tactic number 2. Where am I? Here. Waves. Can we post the game? Doesn't look like it. I will have to be very sharp on this. What if I get this on one side? Yeah. And I will have to change the music soon. Okay, let's see. I have 12 red. Oh, and it's 100. $99? Interesting to see how it's just one less from the wave before that, but whatever. Yeah, let's go with 3 then. $98? Not sure why, but I'm gonna say why not. And I have to change music. So let's go, wave 4. Is it 24 or 25? Not easy, not gonna lie. Could be a team effort. Where's my money? Oh, in faster shooting. This is hard. We actually have 5 waves so far. Could go make this 6th. Let's count the 6. Not that good. That's the worst thing. Are you planning to do so with all the waves? I don't know. We have 30 days after all. Eventually I could have different people counting different colors. Oh, I lost it. I'm gonna go with 70. Money seems to be a simple thing to connect here. And all the ways, there's only 8. 40. It could be worse. The corners are kind of annoying. Let's say 20, 30. 40. That's the worst guessing ever. I thought I found the round thing. BloonsTD 1. Yeah, but that's where I was. Round. Why did I see round? Uh, that's the thing. Oh wait, maybe if I do scroll. Oh, there it is. See? I've done it. Wasn't that hard? You were faster? What do you mean? Did you send something? No, you don't. Are you trying to trick me? Blah, blah, blah. If I copy paste this, without the odds, it absolutely explodes. Huh, who would have known? I guess that's 1.4 obsidian here. Except for the R. But that's probably me. Oh, boo, bad me. Non-chat reader in the chat. Where? What? Did some messages get deleted? I see nothing. Oh yes, if you sent, yeah, it's gone then. So maybe since the game can be fully done without frozen bomb towers and actually just supersonics and tuck and base monkeys, I will probably ignore the next turrets and instead focus on the waves. Yeah, I didn't know. Well, it's kind of difficult to know what YouTube will erase or not. I remember sometimes I was saying some things in the chat with Hyper gamedev, and she didn't get the messages at all. Okay, let's see my thing table here. Head on. It's kind of weird to add cards in the DOM directly, but yeah, that's what I will do. So, wave table. And technically we have both dot upgrades and both pack upgrades. And I kind of forgot to enter the tasks for this. So maybe we can say that we're done with the upgrades at the moment and improve the wave system. It's kind of fast. I'm gonna change how the attack turret works with a base cooldown of 1.5 and slightly more. Dot. I think the cooldown's too high and too low. Where's my here? Dot tower. 1.2. Oh, it has to be reverted. So it is. Uh-huh. Let's try 08. See what this looks like. Yeah, it looks fine. Maybe we'll eat the beta placement. So anyway, let's have this upgrade up to little roadmap. What do we have here? So we have the balance. Yeah, I get that. Wave content, turret price, turret effects, currency generation. So maybe we can call this the balance upgrade at the moment. So let's sprint by balance prices. So it's probably just going to be scrapping the wiki here. Do you have the price upgrades? Yeah. Wait. Let's see. First currency. Where's the... Here's, I think it's 210. Yep. Range is 100. Massive attack. Attack speed 250 and 150. Alright. That was simple. Wow, sometimes we do need simple tasks. We are only 1 hour in and I'm already tired. I hate waking up early. Now it's a question of balancing waves. So we have only 3 waves. That's easy. Oh. What if we create resources for waves? Maybe that will go in the way we work. So at the moment we could keep it like this. So wave 1 is 12 red. Or do we have the speed of the balloons? Yes, no, that's something I will have to change randomly. In fact, maybe I could harmonize this, since there's the kind of offset. This, yeah, what I think is kind of bad is creating a timer of at 0.2 second, discarding it, and creating another one. Fine. "24 red and 5 blue." But yeah, the kind of thing which is also complicated is how do you get every balloon spawn at a specific time? You may have an idea. Let's try this first. Right. Oh wait, I didn't fix the waves. Rewood. Well, could be easier than that. Those wave. 100 minus waves completed. Completed waves. Yeah. We do the same here. Right, back to the game. Okay, cool. Next wave. Oh, I think I have a little problem regarding the money. Which, what? Oh yes, there's no timer. Oh yeah. Let's fix this. Um, let's see. Balloon. One of these hits. They do increase the currency anyway, so that's cool. I'll nerf it slightly. And I'm actually curious to see what happens if we do unmute this. Prepare for the obnoxious pews. Slightly more delay on the spawn could be interesting.
Pew! 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 Pew!
It's actually kind of synchronized.
Pew! 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 Pew!
Oh, it actually can't spawn a tower earlier. Yeah, that's sad.
Pew! 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 Pew!
It's weird because why is the dB increasing that much? Like having the same sound at the same time is like... But that's the thing, the top sound is actually very short. So eventually we can say that this is fine. Balance the first waves. But then there's a need to rework the wave system. Maybe it could be interesting to look for resources on YouTube. Wait a second. Okay, let's see. Oh! He's streaming again. Cool. Going to the enemy waves. Oh, that's me now. Maybe I will load that. Enemy follow path and spawn. Viability is interesting to watch as well. Okay, let's start with the first video. Let's see what we can get in there.
Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to spawn an...
Setting up the wavelet.
Okay, first things first, we're going to implement some logic to tell our wave manager script what enemies we want to spawn in each wave and in which order.
Exactly.
Start simple, and inside the scene, we'll attach a new
Well,
system
it's
script
actually quite easy to draw.
to handle our enemy waves. In the list, we create 3 instances of our data structure, one for each enemy type, and set up some arbitrary values to get more or less powerful enemy types. As is often the case in tower defense games, after that, stronger enemies have both a higher value for health points.
We do have different enemies. This is basically for us decided by the level of the balloons, so yeah.
Meaning that we want to tell our game what enemy types to similarly we can create a longer wave 2 by spawning the same types in the same order.
Yeah, so here it is a simple concept with just
waves 3 and 4 that intertwine the types of enemies. We could obviously also search at 4 that intertwine the
list of integer. What is it though? 0, 5. Is it like the level? So this is 0, 1, 2, and then that's the number.
The types of enemies. The
Instantiating the waves. Yes. Yeah, that makes sense.
And then each list, we also have weight, and for each tuple, spread it as a repetition of integers in a temporary list. For a tuple, we'll have become a series of 5 ones, one after the other, in the wave database variable. Finally, we just needed to prepare an integer to keep track of where we're at in this simple list that is reset to 0 when we start a wave. And also we'll have an exported variable of packed scene type to reference the enemy graph scene I prepared beforehand, and that we will study in more detail in the next section. To actually see the exported variable,
Eventually we could have a kind of...
that because we're using C# and not GDScript, we needed to recompile our project. And then we can just drag our scene in the slot to reference it in our script.
Kind of no
So we
enemy
now have all we need to actually trigger the
to have a
period.
delay.
To do this, let's start by
That could be
adding a
cool.
time node in our scene, and
So this time will be quite similar, I guess. Except that we would be having the wave in a resource, and we could have a timer. Right, let's see. Rework the wave system. I'm gonna save that so that I can delete everything if something goes wrong. Okay. We're good to go. What if the button path has a timer somewhere? Maybe it doesn't need because it counts balloon children. So I'm gonna have this poem time. Phone timer 0.2 seconds. Another one shot. Maybe we want it on physics. I don't really know. I'm gonna try on physics just to see. We don't have. We get access to this guy. Completed waves, wave active, spawn completed. In resources, we can try creating a new one. Create new script wave. Actually, we need a folder. Waves. This is technically an array of a vector to I. And that's pretty much it. That seems like it's really one property. There's like another dots. Let's create a wave here. Let's have wave 0. Oh, 0, 0 maybe. 1. 1. Alright. I'm gonna grab music's here. Give me 3 seconds. I'm gonna pick something. 1 hour. If I do stay 1 hour, it would be great. Okay. Instead, wave 1. So let's create level 0 and 12 balloons. Wave 0, 2. Level 0, 24. Yes, this didn't update the other one. Great. Wave 3. Wearing my list. 5 blue, 24 reds. That's because it was 25 actually. Okay, cool. Back to battle path. For the waves, we'll probably need a string right there, which is gonna be the UID of the resource. Okay, great. Initiate wave. Though we probably want to spawn wave somewhere. I'm gonna remove everything. Just skip one maybe. Add spawn wave. The timer is useless, but it probably has spawn time. Yeah, start it. Oh, that's kind of the problem here. If we use a timer, we need to grab the signal. Okay, so maybe this is useless. We don't need that. But we need to progress through the content. On wave 1. Here, somewhere we do want to add child with a new balloon. That's for sure. But when we instantiate the wave, we probably should save the wave resource somewhere. Wave active, like wave resource. The initiate wave. Here, wave resource. We do load. Waves. Is that a problem though? Okay, it's fine. So we kind of need to track progress. I may have an idea, which is kind of destructive. But what if we... What if we actually decrease the number 0 thing here? So first we do read. Hey, you're back. Hey, Adam. How's today? Today's kind of fine. Let's have a short recap of what happened. We have created a new piece upgrade. We did the upgrades for both turrets, and right now we are in the balancing of prices and stuff. And also we added Elfiam's map, so it's right now the game's not playable, but we have like a better map for the design right there. And we also fixed the bug we had yesterday. So here, yeah, starting wave probably does nothing. You wish you can play the game? Well, the playable should be arriving. I mean, we can have a playable version pretty soon. And at some point I could make some hosting tests. So yeah. Sounds like a cool game. Well, technically, you can play it by reaching the official game, which we are copying. So if we pretty much want to read that, okay, so if the wave resource that content that size is inferior or equal to 0. We want to close wave. That's the first thing. Otherwise, if the wave resolves content oh, we kind of have not way to add him. Wait a second. Spawn completed. Okay. When completed equals true. And we probably want to start the timer here as well. That's where we want to stop it. So anyway, if the wave content of 0, that y is 0. Wave versus content. Want to erase. Is that at an index by, yeah, it's not erase. Top front, top front. Then otherwise, we want if it's a wave resource content. Of 0.y to x to -1, we just remove 1. We remove 1 from the wave resource content here. Wave resource. So we remove a waiting object, sort of. And otherwise, yeah, we don't want to return. We add child wave resource content 0 x, and we decrease it by 1. I think it should be good. And best way to test this is to add an element in the middle here. Okay. Can we get this to work? Oh, I don't know. Maybe not. Initiate wave. We've initiated. Or do we actually have to? The message. Oh, we have no message? Oh, it's actually just a signal, not a print. Let's have the breakpoint. Okay, cool. Oh, maybe I just forgot to bind the timer. And a classic. Maybe it works now. Maybe not. So this should not happen. Interesting. Why is that so weird? But no. Do we properly load? Oh, wait. Nice. Right there. Waves. Wave resource. Array size 0. Why's that so? Array size waves. Is it because it's not saved or something? I'll try to reload. We never know with Godot. Okay, that's a problem. Why is this line gray? The fact that this line is gray is kind of surprising. So wave resource is null. The wave resource is empty. This doesn't make sense. Why is it empty now? Okay, it's not empty now. Okay. So I'm gonna bring this first. And I think we're good. Maybe just increase the time slightly. And we're going to try. Yep. And I think I forgot one thing important. You did. Okay, cool. Oh, nice. Yay, popcorn, isn't it? It looks kind of happy. So now the thing is that between the two waves, we should see a slight delay. There's the delay. And they're catching up because they're faster. We can upgrade so that it attacks faster. Let's go. Cool, and here we have a bug. So technically, we're working the wave system school, so now we can add more waves. Not necessarily the funniest thing to watch. But let's see. We can bring Godot. Okay, wave 3. Let's duplicate. So we have 24 blue. Wave 5. The wave 5 is 30 reds. Maybe we can make it like 15. Then 10 blue. 15 0. Then 15 blue. And the next one. Delete. It is level 2. This is where we have to create a new balloon. So let's call 3 blue. That's easy. That should be very fast, I think. So balloon objects. Yeah. I don't know if that's too fast. We'll see that. This turn is kind of big. It's kind of the problem, is it? That adding a attack turret here isn't very efficient. I mean, you do need the distance upgrade for it to work. Okay, let's go next wave. I think I will buy the speed upgrade. Oh, that was close. Oh no, I didn't load. Oh. I will have to restart this. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, it's probably broken. Ugh. I could try like this, but it's probably... I could work. And as I can, I do increase the speed. Are you planning on adding weird facts between waves like Bloons did? Oh yes, eventually. I don't really care about the grass blades being too big. I mean, that's fine. But anyway, like the path is having not enough shops. Like, it doesn't allow the attack turrets to be very efficient in there. And this is kind of a big one. That's gonna be okay. No! Don't you dare! I'm gonna catch you. Oh, the green. We kind of get this feeling of the fast ones, and then you get the slower ones. You didn't have tower size to compare? Yeah. I mean, the range is kind of guessed here. With such big turns, pretty much all turrets could get a little bit range. A bit more range. Why don't abuse best point here? Because it's kind of... I mean, here best point is too close to the end. Which means that if you plan on using this right there to pop the very fast balloon, they're just gonna pop anyway. Because you really want to use the start of the map to deflate the big balloons. Because we could try to just have the attack here, but I don't know. Draw me a pass you want to see. Well, technically, I was about to make the exact same path as the balloon game. I would eventually try to get a second attack. Oh, these blue balloons are so gonna go through the attack turrets. Yeah, that was obvious. Do you want me to make the exact same path? Yeah, well, I will probably pick the exact same path. I need to be ready for second attack. I feel like this wave's wrong though. Oh, one passes here. Yeah, let's go with the green ones. Oh, I think this is lost. You're lucky that you are kind-hearted to do so? Well, that was pretty much what I said from the get-go. And you are the one who absolutely wants to replace my placeholders this early. But it works. It works well. I'm just gonna change the wave 4. Let's go maybe with like 10, 0, 1. 40. The wave 3 is probably better, I guess. Okay, so I wasn't expected to work the full hour, but it's already 33 minutes in. Maybe I will stop here. Maybe I will stop here. What is in the balance update? That's pretty much what I was expecting. Because here, we do have the MVP. Eventually, add a protection for a switched. And we pretty much have the MVP with that. Initiate with, so I think it is if waves completed is completed waves. We have this size, so we have something. Where's that size? So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it is superior or equal to the wave size, can we create a feedback? Yes. Okay, I'm gonna try that. And if that works, I'm gonna try holding the game. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Bananas are berries? Really? Strawberries. Okay, so since... Is it a question of flower? Is it like when you have a flower, we have then a fruit? It's, well, a fruit and not a berry. And a berry is something different which doesn't grow from a flower? Is that it? Because I do know strawberry flowers, but not necessarily banana flowers. It's where the seeds are. How is that about seeds? Because peaches have the seed inside. But peaches don't really have a seed, they have a whatever it's called in English. Oh, what's this? I think we have bugged balloons. Maybe tactile very fast. Oh no, they have infinite life! So it's gonna end 40. Pitches of a type of droop. It's funny because that's a word I learned in French, droop, very recently. But we don't use that word at all. We really do say fruits. But I mean, it's, yeah. Maybe like berries of fruits, droops of fruits, but not the other way around. There are no more waves. There are no more waves. End game, no crashes. That's nice. Okay, let's see if we have correct things in there. Okay, so window, resizable, no. Just in case, we're gonna override and we're gonna keep the aspect. I don't like how stones and rocks are. Maybe, I don't know the ordering of the namings here. So annoying. Oh, it's actually 1 gigabyte? Damn. Damn. I honestly hate waking up this early. See, it's 22 and I'm absolutely destroyed. I guess that this very last percent alone is longer than the 99 others. I wouldn't be surprised. This is gonna be the best balloon for sure. With the super secret settings, could be. The best balloons won. I haven't played the more recent games, but do you mind though? Thank you. Okay, that's... Boats. Okay, so we have the balloons like here. Would you create a zip line? Oh, I forgot something. I just wanted to change this very simple line. Let's re-export. We're good? Ah, do you mind going back? Wait, why is it broken? No! Godot died! Oh, there's something here. What is that? Whoa! That was weird. And we lost this. Document, Godot 4.4, exports, balloons like, and there we go. Oh, I actually have muted the game, so you're not gonna have the view. Oh no, get back. How much time remains? 10 minutes. Where's HIO? Right there. New project. Do we have a cover image? Yeah, we're gonna have that. That's gonna be fine. Okay, it's classification game. HTML playable. In development. Load files. No. Okay. Manually set size. Nope. I'm not done. You big mean. I just hope it's not resizable. I really hope so. Wait, there's no tower defense game? That's mean. Oh, I shot it actually. Do you have your repo private? It is more than private because it is local. But if you want to have access to the code, I can upload it, I guess, and on my public GitHub. Oh, why is it so... yeah. And we're right, we can't resize this. Oh, it should be cool. Oh, money is still bananas. That's interesting. Not code, but scene. Oh. Well, that's the same thing. Really. So, yeah. It exists. Maybe I will add this to Discord as well. We don't need that. Okay. Oh yeah, that's the videos that you had for tower defense. Okay. Thanks. Maybe I will look into this one later. Cool. Emma's wanting to speak with me. Speak to me. Speak to me. Why I can't see the... Yeah, let's find it manually. Right there. Let's go. Hosting the thing. Actually have to publish this as well. Balance update. Okay. So technically, we should have this. GitHub. Tell me I'm still connected. Yes. This project. Here is the GitHub repository. So you can try. Okay. So Alphium. Here is what you have to do. You have to go fetch version. No. Yeah. So probably you want to search for Kraken. Oh. Really? Yeah. Okay. You want to search for Git Kraken and go fetch this video. Because in there, you will find how to fork, which is something you will have to do at some point. And yeah, basically forks and pulling, sending the project to the original thing. With pull requests. So this should allow you to be able to send things to the project. Or I could add you somewhere at some point as well. that could be easier. Are you planning to do something in this project today? No. Once the stream's ended, I will just be chilling around and go to sleep. I mean, at the moment, I really want to try to have any kind of interaction off camera. So... yeah, as long as I'm not on stream, I'm not adding anything to it. That's the point. What was I thinking about? I don't know. Yes. Wait a second. Ugh. Okay. That's it. That should be good. Holy crap, the game's hard. Yes, it is. And I think it is more because of the terrain shape rather than anything else. Because the shape is kind of nerfing the range. So the range could be updated, buffed in response to that. Look at him blaming my map. Yes, it is definitely your map. Like, what is... I mean, honestly, like, oh no. Well, we don't need the music anyway. I mean, it takes years anyway to get rid of that. Okay, you know what? Okay, maybe not. Oh, it's muted. That's not what I wanted to do. Can I go to each IO, please? Let me in! Why is that even a thing? What did I do? Why am I getting kicked out? Is it you? Are you the responsible for this? Oh, Itch died? Do you think I destroyed Itch with my game? Huh. That's the only explanation. Yeah, my game crushed Itch. But anyway, I don't need it to play. I can play it locally. Well, technically you can now play it locally as well. Because you guys can clone the code and run it in your own Godot. Look at this! Look how the map is making it harder. This is 100% the map. Or We do that. We do that. In here. Oh, I can't buy it. I didn't know what size the drawers are. Oh, it's really, really close, but it reaches. And there it is. And honestly, spending attack range early is a huge waste. Or maybe not. Maybe that's the right move. I don't know. No! The way you have to slowly watch this happens. Bonk. So sad. And it happens again. This turret is useless in TD6. The tag. I'm losing so much. So yeah, attack range, not very useful. Maybe I need Pierce. Oh, full wave. Oh no, I can't buy Pierce. Oh no, it's the greens. Oh jeez. I guess that's the lose. I will never spend 3 hours on a new map. Yeah, I don't know how you did that, but it seems like very time consuming. Like this. I mean, it would take me 3 hours just to make the darkest spots here. I don't know the tools of Inkscape. I hope you all sleep well. Well. Soonish. Oh, we can buy Pierce now. Oh, but it's over anyway. Hey, did I fix itch? Yeah, I did. Whee! It is fixed. Let's see. And good night to you. Do we end here? Maybe we end here. Do we have saved everything? Yes. This is saved as well. Cool. And the map. This is done. Roadmap. What do we have? Okay, so I will have to prepare things for the next time. Each got the game and had to take a breath for a moment. I wish you had it both at once. Wait, I wish you had a boss. You put a turret that does 2 times damages. So yeah, this will eventually be in the super secret update part. I don't really know what will happen there, but probably some cool things, I don't know. I don't know how much I will improve and stuff, and it will depend on the amount of time which is left. Because right there, oh, it's still early. We're only 1 week in, right? It's 1 week. Student tomorrow, and I don't want to say we have done the hardest part. I don't think so. But we have pretty much, yeah, a big part done already. And maybe we could have 1 or 2 weeks. Because, let's see. Here. Yeah, maybe by the 15th or 22nd. We can have the game ready. So it's like we have a few more days for the super secret setting. Because the most time consuming thing or part will definitely be making assets, I think. Because otherwise, making the super monkey turret is just like having a super fast turret, so this is fine. Frozen and bomb turrets can be kind of different. They will take a few time, but eventually 1 or 2 sessions is definitely enough. So yeah. Game should be done by 22nd. Anyway. Probably enough rambling for now. And we're gonna gently slide to the end of the stream. With very fitting sound, actually, music. So I'm gonna disappear, I guess. And I'm gonna say thank you guys for being here. And maybe there will be a stream during the day tomorrow. During the afternoon. I don't know. So anyway. Thank you for being here. It was cool, and I will see you soonish.